With TransferMate, you can upload a payment file with multiple beneficiaries and in multiple currencies if required. To upload a payment file for processing, first sign in to your TransferMate account by clicking the Sign In button. Choose the source bank and funding method for the new payment on the Make a Payment page. Select the Upload a File option and click Next. You will be prompted to download a File Upload Specifications PDF, which specifies all the data TransferMate requires in the file. You can also download a template CSV file from the Download Template tab. We recommend that you use the free software LibreOffice to edit and save your CSV payment file to ensure that leading zeros are not deleted at the beginning of any account number or banking code. Once you have prepared your file to the correct specifications, select the Upload File tab, browse for the prepared file, and click on Upload. TransferMate will then process your payment file. Once the file has finished processing, click View Group Summary. On the next page, you are shown the payment summary details, including the amount you need to pay and a live FX rate that refreshes every 90 seconds. The payment status is shown as Awaiting Authorization. If you are happy to proceed, tick the box for the payment and you'll be shown the total amount to pay. Please read the fraud warning, and when you're finally ready to confirm the booking, check the box confirming you have the authority to make this payment by clicking the Authorize Selected Payments button. You have now authorized the payment. On the next page, you will be shown the details for the transfer finalizing the payment. The payment status is now Awaiting Funds. If you selected a global account as the source of funds at the beginning of the payment process and the account has sufficient funds for the payment, funds will be withdrawn automatically from your account. Here you will see the total amount you need to transfer and the details for the TransferMate bank account to which you need to transfer the funds. Please ensure to include the reference number with your transfer. If TransferMate does not receive these funds within 2 business days of the booking, the payment will be cancelled. Once you have transferred the required funds, TransferMate will send them to your beneficiary. The status will change to Paid and the payment process will be complete. If you have any questions about the TransferMate platform, get in touch through the Contact Us page on transfermate.com.